have everything ready so that way, you know, they don't have to put up with me changing this, that, and the other thing. You know what I mean?
Yep. David is getting his stuff together, so.
Alright. Socket ready. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, no. Oh, man. Alright, I'll skip that, showing that then since I ain't got one. Alright, so this is a cement anchor bolt, okay? I'm going to use this to put the hole for it. Then you hammer this in. This end here goes in your concrete, and then fling your washer on here, and then you tighten this up, and then that kind of like butterflies this out to anchor it inside your concrete. That way it holds it up. Now the reason I got this is that there's a huge gap in between this piece here and over here. And instead of basically building up, I want to basically, and then we use this, and then I want to chip it out so that way this can be then, the plan is to have this, all that, flushed in here. Actually, I might just do that instead. I'm going to go over here, like this, that way I don't have to go through here and then try to flush this up. Let me see here real quick. Oh well, I'll deal with that.
Okay, so we'll be back once he's done.
Well,
What?
let's see here. Right about there. Right about there.